Hi, I'm Annette and welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. In this video, we are getting started in planting our 9 seeds and 1 fruit that you must sow in June. I'm going to be taking you along step by step all along the way. So without further ado, let's get started. This is going to be fun and exciting, all these special seeds that we have for the month of June. Our first seed is desert zucchini. Seed to harvest is about 50 days. Our second seed is summer dense cucumber. Seed to harvest about 70 days. Our third seed, calabaza squash. Seed to harvest about 3 months. Our fourth seed, Malabar spinach. Our fifth seed, Jericho lettuce. If you want to pick on baby greens, about 30 days. More full heads, about 60 days. Our sixth seed, Manoa lettuce. Seed to harvest about 65 days. Our seventh seed, Hakusho melon, seed to harvest about 65 days. Seed number 8, Everglades cherry tomato, seed to harvest about 50 days. Seed number 9, black eyed peas, seed to harvest about 80 to 100 days. Seed number 10, chayote squash, the actual fruit is the seed. The 9 seeds and 1 fruit, each one is going to have their own special preparation. I'm going to be using a 3% food grade hydrogen peroxide. For every 2 cups of water, and I'm using spring water, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, 3%. And just mix that around. Our very first seed to prepare for germination is the desert zucchini. I'm just barely covering it with the water hydrogen peroxide solution. All of my larger seeds I'm going to pre-soak in water, which I have added hydrogen peroxide first. My desert zucchini has been soaking for about an hour and a half in the hydrogen peroxide water solution. Now it's time to put it on a paper towel to finish its germination. And I'm going to give it a little bit more moisture. Now I'm getting ready to prepare my summer dense cucumber. These are smaller seeds, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a paper napkin and put the seeds out on the napkin. Spread them out a little bit and then just fold the paper over. This has hydrogen peroxide, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Pressing it down. And put it in the bag. I've already got the bag labeled. Close the bag up. Seed number 3 is the calabaza squash. Since it's a larger seed, I'm going to be soaking it in a jar with the hydrogen peroxide and water. And just barely cover it, it's all it needs. The calabaza seeds have been soaking for about an hour and a half. Now it's time to put them on the paper towel. Seed number 4, Malabar spinach. Malabar spinach, the seeds are kind of dense and hard, so they're going to be soaked in the solution as well. All right, putting the Malabar spinach seeds in the jar with the hydrogen peroxide water. So the Malabar spinach seeds have been soaking for about an hour in the water hydrogen peroxide mixture. It's a little bit foamy, don't know what that means, but nonetheless, it's time to get it out of the solution, and I'm going to rinse it well in spring water. Okay, I had the Malabar spinach seeds rinsed off very well, and I'm just going to put them on this paper towel because we're going to pre-germinate these seeds before we plant them. I want to make sure I got a good germination rate. I'm going to put it in the bag. Okay, this is just water, so I'm going to moisten it down. Just close the bag up. Seed number 5, Jericho lettuce. I'm going to be sowing Jericho lettuce in these cell trays. I have put just potting mix in here and pre-moistened it with water. Jericho lettuce is very small seeds, so I'm just going to be just picking a couple up and just sprinkling it in each cell tray. Lettuce likes a little bit of a flash of light to germinate, so I'm just going to ever so lightly just kind of press this down into the soil. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of water on top. Seed number 6, Manoa lettuce. On the Manoa lettuce, I'm going to be just sowing them directly into these little cell trays. I have potting mix in here and I have pre-moistened it with water. It's a good idea to label and date everything. I'm just gently tapping down the Manoa lettuce seeds into the soil. Seed number 7 is Hakusho melon, and we're going to pre-sprout it on a paper towel. Seed number 8, Everglade cherry tomato. They're very small, and I'm going to plant them in these cell trays that I have put potting mix in that's been moistened with water. Going to sprinkle a few seeds in each one and then come along and cover them up with perlite. And just give it a little bit more water on top. Seed number 9, black-eyed peas. I'm going to be pre-soaking these in some solution with the hydrogen peroxide for about 30 minutes. I'm going to be sprouting the black-eyed peas in this plastic container, laying down some paper towels. The black-eyed peas has been soaking for about 30 minutes. Now it's time to put them on the paper towel to finish germinating. And number 10 is our one fruit, chayote. I'm just going to be putting the chayotes in water to get them a little bit saturated here at the beginning. I'm going to be coming back very soon for another update on the 9 seeds and 1 fruit for June. If you have found value in this video, please take a moment to subscribe if you have not done so already. Likes and comments help a lot. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.